Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting immediate access to the machine or control panel where Arc Ascended runs. Once logged in, find the server installation and open game user settings. Inai and any launch command or service unit. Make a backup copy now so you can restore if needed. This step prevents mistakes and gives you a rollback. You need both file access and permission to restart the server. Without those, you cannot change console behavior, so secure them before proceeding. Next, edit the server config and launch parameters to remove or disable console access. Remove admin passwords or public keys from game user settings. Inai and any web or Archon settings in your launch line, replace them with blank or secure strings. Once done, tighten OS file permissions so only the service account can write configs. This prevents accidental re-exposure and ensures changes persist. Make incremental saves and note each change so you can reverse if a service misbehaves. Finally, restart the Arc Ascended server so configuration changes take effect. After reboot, connect from a non-admin client and attempt to open or execute console commands to verify restrictions are active. If console access still works, examine server logs for parsing errors and ensure file permissions applied correctly. Restore your backup and reapply edits one change at a time. If command execution fails for legitimate admins, reintroduce secure admin credentials and verify authentication methods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.